This glove box is our vacuum glove box VGB1. These are random accessories that we brought when it left the factory. Let's install the trachea first. The trachea is connected to a nitrogen cylinder at one end, then the pipe leads out of the nitrogen cylinder. Just connect it to the intake ball valve of the box. The other end connects to the intake port of the antechamber. Second, we connect the vacuum pump. Let's take a look at how to use the pump. First, the connector on the vacuum pump need an adapter that connect the hose. We screw the adapter on. Now add vacuum pump oil to the vacuum pump. The cap of the vacuum pump exhaust case. Next we install. Put the gloves on the innermost part. Then secure the gloves with O-rings. Open the inner door before vacuuming the box. Port. Be sure to ensure balancing valve. Open the vacuum valve. Turn on the vacuum pump to evacuate. See the pressure gauge on the antechamber for the degree of vacuum. After vacuuming, open the gas inlet ball valve. The speed of replenishing gas is relatively fast, so we have to close the ball valve in time once the pressure gauge reaches to 0. Cycle 3 to 6 times to vacuum and replenish air according to the above operations. Basically, the inner environments can meet the requirements of our laboratory. How to use the antechamber. The inner and outer doors of the antechamber cannot be opened at the same time. Paying attention if the item is liquid and has a bottle cap that you put in. When vacuuming, reduce the vacuum degree appropriately, or open the cap of the bottle, to avoid breaking items. Also cycle 3 times to vacuum and replenish air of the antechamber. Open the inner door. Put the tray into the glove box. Take out the items and put them in the glove box. Put the tray back to the antechamber. And then close the inner door.